Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rosdiana. I am presentasi What do you feel and future progressive tenses group 3. Name of group number 1 Rosdiana, number 2 Lasia, number 3 Ida. Table of contents number 1 conversation, number 2 vocabulary, number 3 grammar focus, number 4 exercise, number 5 exercise recording and answer the question, number 6 discussion, number 1 conversation. Welcome a new patient. Desi has feeling headache and nurse Erika offered to call the doctor. I am nurse and Mbak Ida to patient. Mbak Ida, Mbak Ida.
Kok nggak suara-suaranya? Halo,
Good morning, Miss Ida. My name is Rosdiana, and will be looking after you for this morning.
good morning Miss Erika.
What are you feeling today?
Miss Erika, I have a headache.
Yes, are you okay? Do you need me to call the doctor?
It's just felt so dizzy and I barely can see its clear signs everything circle around.
Do you take your medicine yet?
Not yet. I just finished eating.
Here, let me help you. Take the medicine first.
Thanks, Miss Erika. I think I need a rest. Hold. You help me, please. I wanna leave.
Yes, here, let me help you. Do you feel comfortable now?
Yes, it's much better. The head is slowly getting better.
Okay, then I need to go now. I will inform the doctor right away. And where is your family?
My mom is in the cafeteria and she will be back in a minute. It's okay, you can leave me.
Okay, Mr. Ida, don't hesitate to push the buzzer whenever you need me, okay? I will be here in no time. Now take a rest and get well soon.
Thanks a lot, Miss Erika.
Number 2, vocabulary, headaches, kepala, stomachache sakit perut, toothache sakit gigi, earache sakit telinga, sore throat radang tenggorokan, cold batuk, stroke, kowiskor busung lapar, dysentery, anthrax, lungs paru-paru, kidney ginjal, Ebola, stiff, sesak nafas, fever, demam, cold pilek, skabies, kudis, nausea, mual, vomit, muntah. Asma, bronkitis, kolit, radang usus besar, difteri, denyu, demam disertai linu pada sendi, emfisema, pembengkakan paru-paru, BKI, sakit punggung, diabetes, sakit gula, ensefalitis, radang otak, goiter, kondok, kanker, diare, diare, nosobelit, mimisan, hepatitis, infeksi, migrain, sakit kepala sebelah, masker, glow, sakit rung tangan, psoriasis, penyakit kulit kronis, fraktur, patah tulang. Number 3, grammar focus. Grammar focus. The following are expressions to introduce, suggest, or prohibit which are frequently used by a nurse. Number one, recommendation. Subject plus must, thought, had, better, advice, suggest plus verb 1. Example, contohnya, a patient must take medicine regular. Example 2, you should come early to register in this hospital. Example 3, you had better take a rest. Number 2, prohibition. Subject plus must, should, had, better, might, plus not, plus verb 1. Example, number 1, a diabetes patient must not eat too sweet. Number 2, you should not be late to visit the doctor. Number 3, you might not be tired because you have not been well. Grammar fokus yang number 2, subject plus must avoid or should avoid plus verb ing. Example number 1, you should avoid drinking alcohol. Number 2, you must avoid smoking for your health. Nah, tadi pengertiannya kita harus menjaga kebersihan lingkungan. Number 2, kamu sebaiknya menghindari makanan cepat saji. Number 3, agar tubuh kita sehat, sebaiknya kita berolahraga setiap hari. Number 4, obat ini harus dihabiskan dalam waktu 3 hari. Dan seterusnya. Number 4, reading exercise. How does kidney work? One of the important job of the kidney is to clean the blood. As blood moves through the body, it picks up extra fluid. Semi emphasize the kidney separates this material from the blood. It carries out of the body in urine. If the kidney are unable to do this and the condition is untreated, serious heart problem result with eventual loss of life. Nah, terjemahannya, bagaimana cara kerja ginjal? Salah satu tugas penting ginjal adalah membersihkan darah. Saat darah bergerak ke seluruh tubuh, darah mengambil cairan ekstra, bahan kimia, dan limbah. Ginjal memisahkan bahan ini dari darah. Itu dilakukan dari tubuh melalui urin. Jika ginjal tidak mampu melakukan hal ini dan kondisi ini tidak diobati, maka akan timbul masalah kesehatan yang serius, yang pada akhirnya menyebabkan hilangnya nyawa. Answer the following question and question number 1, 2, and 3. Number 5, reading excerpt future progressive tenses. Nah, definisi the future progressive tenses is a verb tenses which is us to express action. The will be continuously in progress at some time in the future. Future progressive tenses adalah bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu tindakan yang akan terus berlangsung pada suatu waktu di masa depan. Future progressive tenses formula number 1, verb ending do not change in the future tenses. You only need to use the future tenses present, will, or going to show that an action or fact passion to the future. Subject plus will be, verb plus ing. Subject format on to be plus going to be, verb plus ing. Number 2, the verb to be has an irregular conjunction. I am, he, she, it, the, is, you, we, they, are. Fungsi and use future progressive tenses. Number 1, future action in progress. They refers to action that will occur at some point in the future. This action will last for a period duration on time. Number 2, future action in progressive negative. The refers to action that will not occur at some point in the future. Number two, to form the future progressive in the negative form, not is at between will and be. To form the future progressive negative, subject plus will not be plus present participle. Example, he will not be graduating. You will not be going to the dance. Number three, they will not be eating with us. Number four, we will not be arriving on time. Number three, future interrogative of duration. This refers to action that may or may not be occurring over a period of time in the future. To form the future interrogative question, the subject is placed between will and be. To form the future interrogative question, will plus subject plus be plus present participle. Example, will you be calling? Will they be eating? Will he be going? Will we be attending?